Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Step into a realm of height and aesthetics as you elevate your living space with the latest room transforming wallpaper designs. These innovative creations go beyond mere wall carvings, acting as dynamic elements that redefine the ambience of your room, whether you prefer bold and vibrant patterns or subtle, sophisticated textures. These wallpapers offer a versatile canvas for expressing for unique style. The interplay of colors and designs invite a sense of luxury and visual intrigue, turning your walls into a captivating focal point. Embrace the transformative power of these wallpapers as they seamlessly merge with your home's interior, creating an atmosphere of sophistication and charm. With an array of contemporary options from geometric patterns to nature-inspired motifs, there is a design to suit every taste. Let each wall tell a story reflecting our personality and setting the stage for a space that is not just lived in but truly experienced. Explore the latest trends and watch as your room undergoes a remarkable metamorphosis, becoming a true reflection of modern design. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.